Hi, I'm Lois and welcome to Morco Studios, and today we're making the Naima circle purse. These pouches come in two sizes, small and large. You can find all of the supplies, cutting templates and a detailed step-by-step written tutorial with colour photographs on how to make these pouches in the pattern. I will put a link to purchase the pattern in the description box below the video. In this video, I will be making the large Naima circle pouch. Using the templates provided in the pattern, cut out the pattern pieces in your chosen fabrics and apply interfacing to the wrong sides of both main body A exterior pieces. There are two styles of zipper pull tabs for you to choose from. They are both prepared the same way. Take your zipper pull tab piece and fold it in half and press. Reopen, then fold the raw edges towards the centre crease created and press into place. Then refold the whole thing in half and press again. Finally, top stitch the long sides to keep the pull together. When top stitching, I like to use a slightly longer stitch length. Here I am using size 4. Set the finished tab aside. Place one of your main body piece. A fabric panel's right side up, then place your zipper wrong side up along to the top edge. Pin it so that it is central. Put on your zipper foot and guide the edge of the zipper foot with the raw edge of the zipper to ensure you don't sew the zipper in too tightly. With your main body piece A right side up, take one of your lining pieces and lay it down wrong side up. Pin it so that it is central and the top edge of the zipper and the top edges of your fabrics, main body piece A and lining, are all perfectly aligned. Again, with your zipper foot on, start at one end and begin to sew through all 3 layers, using the zipper foot as a guide against the edge of the zipper. Fold both of your fabric pieces over so that the wrong sides of both panels are touching each other. Press down with your fingers to flatten the fold, and then top stitch just below the zipper. This will ensure none of the fabrics will get stuck in the zipper when the case is in use. When top stitching, I like to use a slightly longer stitch length. Here I am using size 4. Now we are going to repeat these steps on the other side of your zipper with the other main fabric piece and lining fabric piece. Then you should have something like this. Here's what the lining side should look like. Using a hand sewing needle and thread, tack the open end of the zipper closed, or you can knit the zipper back together. Tips on this can be found on my website, molco.co.uk. For this purse, I'm going to use the style 1 tab, but the steps are the same for both tab styles. Fold your tab in half, and with raw edges facing outwards, pin into the purse, central with the zipper. Make sure the direction of the zipper slider is facing to the right. This is so the zipper doesn't come open when the purse is hanging downwards. Run a line of stitch across the tab to secure it in place. Trim off any excess zipper. Lay your lining circle wrong side up on the table and align the main body piece, a fabric circle, right side up on top. Then place the zipped panel wrong side up on top of those so that the right sides of the main body piece, fabrics, are facing each other. If you are using a patterned fabric, make sure the direction of the pattern matches up on both sides of the purse. Pin the layers together. Sew the circles together using a 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. I use the foot as a guide by aligning it with the edge of the top circle. When you reach the zipper ends, and the tab backstitch over them a few times to strengthen these seams. Trim off any excess zipper and fabric from around your circle. With a zigzag stitch, run along the raw edges to give your purse a neat finished look and to prevent fraying. Now turn your purse inside out, roughly pushing the edges out with your fingers. Using a pointy tool, insert it into the open purse and carefully run the tool along the curved edge to smooth it out as best you can. It's best to do this step little by little so you don't accidentally poke a hole through your purse. Once you are happy with the smoothness of your edges, give your purse a little press with a hot iron. If you are using a nylon zipper, be sure not to touch it with the hot iron, as it could melt it. The final optional step is to tie a length of leather around the zipper pull and add your swivel clasp, if using one, and then you're finished. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and you are proud of your new purse. If you appreciate this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. To purchase the paper templates used in this tutorial, please follow the link in the description box below the video. The PDF pattern also includes a supplies list and a detailed step-by-step written tutorial with colour photographs. Your purchase helps support my business so I can keep creating more tutorials like this one. To see what other sewing tutorials and patterns I have on offer, head over to molko.co.uk.